Good morning, friends. I hope you're doing great. I miss you. Well, get your calendar books and let's get ready to do calendar this morning. Got what you need? You're going to need your crayons and you're going to need your clock and, of course, your calendar book. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's sing our months of the year. We started a new month yesterday, the month of April. April, ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Right, so now we're in the month of April. Okay, well then let's talk about the days of the week. Yesterday it was the very first day of September, and so we only have one day on our calendar so far. We put our finger on the number 1 and we go up. It tells us that yesterday was Wednesday. Put your finger on Wednesday. You see it? Wednesday, right. That was yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday, all day long. So let's change our chart. Wednesday was yesterday. Okay, put your finger back on Wednesday. And let's go down to the very next day to see what today is. It says Thursday, right, Thursday. Today is Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Today is Thursday, all day long. We've got our TH, which makes the sound, Thursday. Today is Thursday. If today is Thursday, what will tomorrow be? Put your finger on Thursday and move it down, and it says that tomorrow will be Friday, right? Tomorrow will be Friday, Friday, Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday, all day long. Here's our Friday. Let's read this together. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Right. All right, turn your page in your calendar book. Now we just wrote the number 1 yesterday, didn't we? We just have one day on our calendar. And when we did calendar yesterday, I said we were just going to use our pencils. I thought we would make a pattern somewhere else, but I know we really like doing it. And I found these little colored Post-it notes, and because I couldn't figure out how to make it color on my calendar here at home, but I think I can stick these on it and then I can make a pattern and you can do it too. So we'll just say that yesterday was gray since you wrote it in your pencil. And so I'm going to stick a gray sticky up here. Okay. We're going to make a long pattern this month. Kind of excited about it. Okay, so if we wrote the number 1 yesterday, what number comes next? It's the number 2, right? It's so easy at the beginning of the month. So here's our number 2. If you're not sure how to make a number 2, you can go around the track and back to you. That's how you make the number 2. Around the track and back to you. Okay? And let's see, I'm gonna stick mine right up here. My tape yesterday did not stick very well. And so I made little slots so that it will stay. Okay, so let's see. We're going to do that in a yellow. We'll write that in a yellow today. So if you just wrote it in a different color, you can just do yellow next to it. Until we get our pattern going, it's a little tricky to know what color to use next. So we'll do gray and yellow. We'll start with that. All right, let's go ahead. Oops. Let's go ahead and turn the page once you get that finished. And if I ever start going too fast or you're not finished, you can just always pause the video. I don't think that's gonna stay. You can just pause the video and finish and then pick back up with us when you're done. All right. So let's go to our hundreds chart. I want for you to find the number, let's do the number 42. Now think about how you hear that word, or that number, 42. I hear the 40 first, and then I hear the 2 after. So whenever you are looking for a number, you want to find the 4, and then the 2, 42. Okay? Don't want to do the 2 first. If you do the 2 first, that would be the number 24. That's not the same thing as 42. So you want to look for the number 42 on the row with the 40s, right? And we're going to start at 15. That was the number that you colored in yesterday. And you'll need to color in 42 today. We're going to start at 15 and we're going to count all the way down to 42. Okay, are you ready? Start with 15. Put your finger on the numbers as you're counting. Okay, here we go. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Okay, good job. All right, let's turn our page to the number of the week. Number of the week. Yesterday we chose the number 15 to start with. The number 15. And we wrote the word 15. Okay. And so we're going to start today with our number bond. Right? Now, we always start I'm going to put the number in the middle here, and I kind of made it like a little bit of a sunshine, but I kept it the circle because I know yours is a circle as part of the number bond. But this is where we're going to start with the number 15. So yours looks something kind of like this, right? So if we break 15 up, we broke it yesterday into 10 and then 5 ones. So we had 10 and 5. We did the same thing with our 10 frame. We had a full one, which is 10, and then we only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the next one. So this shows us that we can break it into 10 and 5. So let's write those numbers here on our number bond. 10 and 5. 10 and 5. So 10 and 5 make 15. And those are the numbers that we're going to use over in our number sentences. Everybody got that written? 10 and 5? If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. Okay. I'm not very good at drawing those little star things, or the little sunshine right here. So we're going to start with our addition, or our plus number sentence. So this says that a number plus another number equals or makes 15. Well, we just said right here that 10 and 5 make 15. That's what it shows right here as well. 10 and 5 make 15. 10 and 5 make 15. So now we're just going to write it in a plus or addition sentence. Let's do 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. I'll let you write that in. So we've got our 10, and if you add your 5 more, it makes 15. Okay. Now we're going to move to our next number sentence, and remember this is subtract, that's minus, take away. So I'm going to write my 15 right here in the little sunshine. And we're saying if we have 15 and we take away one part of it, how much is left? We're going to use our 10 and our 5. So let's just do our 10. If we've got 15 and we take away the 10, how many are left? 5. So 15 minus 10 equals 5. 15 minus 10 equals 5. We have 15 and we take away 10. That leaves us with 5. All right, if you need more time to finish that, you can pause the video. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn to our next page, which actually is a couple pages over, but the weather graph. On your weather graph, look outside. Have you been outside yet today? Oh, when I woke up this morning and the sun was coming through the curtains in my bedroom, it just made me so happy. And I don't know if you can hear on the video, but I have birds right outside my window here in the den, and they are chirping. Do you hear that? I love this time of year. So it's definitely a sunny day today, isn't it? So go ahead and take your crayon and color in another space above sunny. We so far have had 2 sunny days in April. We've not had any rainy days, not yet, but we will. We've not had any snow or sleet, or fog, or even just cloudy days. We've had 2 sunny days and it's been beautiful. I hope you get outside today and you're able to enjoy some of that sunshine, even if it's just to maybe walk around your yard or help take out the trash or something, if you don't get a chance to get outside and play. Okay, so now let's turn to the last page in our calendar book where we have our money and our time. On our number bond, we broke our 15 up into the 10 and the 5. We have 2 different coins that are worth 5 and 10. So let's go with worth 10 today? Which coin is worth 10 cents? Do you know? Do you remember what it's called? Find the 10 cents and then look at the word. It starts with D, D, D. Dime, right. Let's circle the coin that's worth 10 cents, but the heads side. The head side of dime. Go ahead and circle that. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. Hi ho, did you know a dime is worth 10 cents? All right. Good job. Well, I want you to get your clock out. We're going to do a little work with our clock. And we'll have a lesson a little bit later that we are going to do with our telling time. So you'll need these back out again. We're just going to work with them just a little bit during calendar. All right, so remember, we've got 2 hands on our clock. One is long and one is short. Which one is the short hand? Do you remember? The hour hand is oh so short. The minute hand is oh so long. So the hour hand is the short one. Remember, the hour hand points to the number that tells us which hour it is. The long one, when it's pointed up at the 12, means o'clock. So take your analog clock and let's make it say 3 o'clock. You make your clock say 3 o'clock. You make yours say 3, and I'll have mine say 3, and then we will compare and see if we both got it right. All right. Got that on the right spot. Gotta move my other hand around. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Does yours say 3 o'clock? With the short hour hand pointing at the 3 and the tall minute hand pointing at the 12? If yours looks like mine, yours says 3 o'clock. Good job. 3 o'clock. All right. Let's put our clocks to the side because we will have a lesson with telling time a little bit later today. Well, I miss you guys so much. I hope that you are doing good, and I hope that you are doing your schoolwork. I know it looks different. It's not going to be the same way we do at school, and that's okay. If your mom or your dad do things differently, is that okay? It is. Because you know what? They can't do it the way that we do it at school. I can't do it here at my house the same way we do at school. Things are just a little bit different, and everybody's going to do it a little bit different. And that's okay. If you do calendar time late in the day or even the next day, it's okay. If you don't get a chance to do it, that's just a little deal. You know, we talk about things that are big deals and little deals. That's just a little deal, okay? All right. Well, I hope that you keep checking back and you can subscribe to the channel so that way your parents are notified every time I get a new video on here. But check out later today because we're going to have a math lesson with our clocks. Okay. Love you, friends. Bye-bye. Mwah.